Welcome to Beyond Shadow. On today's episode, I'm going to unbox another Boxy Charm. That's right, I have another box here. I can't wait to see what's inside. I get so excited with the subscription coming in because the products are, I have no idea what they're going to be, and so it's a lot of fun to open them up and see what's in there. So I'm unboxing it right here on Beyond Shadow. So let's get started. So let's see what we have here in this month's Boxy Charm. So I get the basic box, which is $25 a month, and it comes with 5 products in it. So I can't wait to see what's inside. All right, let's see what we have. Oh man, are you kidding me right now? I just got a set of makeup brushes. Oh, that is fabulous because, as everyone knows, you can't have too many makeup brushes. So this is pretty awesome. Oh wow. Okay, so I got 3 different sizes. I got a nice large brush. Let's see what they look like. Oh, ooh, these are really soft. Oh wow. I like these brushes. Very, very nice. Okay, and these brushes are by Luxie, and it looks like there's actually an entire set that you can get for these, so very nice. I like this. Okay, 3 different sizes. What's next? Okay, so this product is, it looks like it's, I'm not sure exactly what that name is, so I'm looking around down here just to see, but let's see what's inside it. All right. Ooh, very nice. Qveen, it looks like, and this appears to be a very nice pink shade of a lip color. Like it. Very nice. Very, very nice. All right, what's up next? Ooh. Ciate, it's Ciate London Everyday Vacay. Let's see what's in here. Oops, ripped the box. Oh well, that's okay. We don't use the box for the product, so that's okay. All right, let's see. Oh, very nice. It's a loose powder. Oh, I'm liking that. Ooh, very, very nice. Everyday Vacay. Like it. Okay. And up next we have Somerville. This is an active concentrates product. It's a Mimicking Peptides product, smooth and firm. So this is interesting. I do not have any products like this, so I can't wait to try that out. It's a high performance reshaping serum, so that sounds very interesting to me. And I don't think I've ever tried any Somerville products, so also very nice. I like that. This is why I love getting Boxy Charm, because you get these products that you typically would not just go out and shop for, and you get to try them out, and they're full-size products, so you can't beat that. This is fantastic. All right, next up I have a pretty vulgar Faux reels. Let's see what's in here. So exciting. Okay. Ooh. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, I love the container. How nice. Let's see. Ooh, very nice mascara. I like that. Ooh, very pretty container. I love this. This is great. All right, another new product. I have not tried this before, so really excited to see how that mascara comes out. You can never have too much mascara either. I think that's a rule. Actually, I think it's a law in 6 states. Yes. All right, let's take a look and see what we have. So we got the Pretty Vulgar mascara. We got a brush set of 3. I got some loose powder, and it looks like the color is called Coconut. And I also got this really pretty Qveen lip gloss, and it's a very kind of rosy pink color. really like that. And the Kate Somerville, this is an active concentrates again. It's a smooth and firm product. It's a serum, so can't wait to try that one out as well. So there we go. So I really like the products that were in this Boxy Charm. I think they're great. I can't wait to give them a try. I think that I got some really fantastic products in this box, so I'm excited about that. And I think I misspoke earlier. I see these are like kind of little samples on the back of this card, and then when you open up the card on the inside is actually where you can see the list of all of the products that are contained in that box. And but I will put a list of all of these products in my description box so that you can see them, and if you're interested in any one particular one, you can order it yourself. And so I think these are going to be fantastic. I can't wait to try them out. Oh, and by the way, the brushes are actually made by Alamar Cosmetics Complexion Brush Trio. So, you know, I don't prepare these videos ahead of time, as you can see. So I'm making some errors, and that's because I actually am just as surprised as you are as to what is inside that box. I don't open it beforehand. I actually wait until we get onto the show and I do the episode unboxing it, so I have no idea what's inside those boxes. So it's a lot, it makes it more fun that way, right? If I don't even know, you don't know, we'll find out together. So I will unbox my next Boxy Charm as soon as I get it, and I will bring it straight to you. I will also be trying out these products, and I'll let you know which ones I like, and if there's ones that I don't like in here, but I can't wait to try out the serum. That looks great. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try that out today, as a matter of fact, see how it is. And then, you know, this is the powder. This is a loose powder. It's kind of light for me, so I don't know if there's an opportunity for me to use this, but I'll still try it out, see what it comes out like. So you never know. Might could just be a really good coverage product that you can use underneath, you know, a top powder or something like that, just to brighten the eye area, which I usually have a lot of problems with that, so that's a good thing. But these brushes, they look great. I can't wait to give them a shot. They're very, very soft. There's a few different types in here too, so inside of the box came a bronzer brush, and then there's also a brightening brush. See that one? And then this one's a complexion brush. So I like that. I'll give these a shot and see how they turned out. All right, well, if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more stuff coming out. I already have some great tutorials on there. I've got some eyeshadow palettes, some fun products. I've got favorite, all kinds of different favorite products on there. So please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you'll know when I come out with a new video. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button for me, and I really appreciate it. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time on Beyond Shadow. Bye.